Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, "We along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to Khaybar, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about one of his this task fellows who was a claimant of Islam said, he is hell-bound. When the fighting took place, that man fought valiantly and got seriously wounded, but remained unswearing. So one of the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, look at him whom you declared hell-bound, how valiantly he is fighting in Allah's cause and has become seriously wounded." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "He is one of the denizens of hell." Some people whereupon were about to exercise doubt, but that man, not bearing the pangs of wounds, drew an arrow out of the quiver and cut his throat with it. Many Muslims whereupon hastened to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has affirmed your statement. So and so committed suicide by cutting his throat. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "O Bilal, get up and announce, none but a believer will enter paradise, and undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu reinforces this religion through a transgressing man." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6606.